Hi everyone, welcome back to TruthShift. Today we will talk about the Israel versus Palestine war. So let us begin. The one of the most complex and enduring conflicts in the world, a struggle over land, identity and sovereignty. This is the story of the Israel-Palestine border issues, a century-long dispute that continues to shape the Middle East. The conflict began in the early 20th century as the Ottoman Empire collapsed and Britain took control of the Palestine. Both Jews and Arabs claimed the land as their ancestral home. In 1970s, the Balfour Declaration promised a national home for the Jewish people in Palestine, angering the Arab majority. The tension grew, leading to violence and protests. By 1947, the United Nations proposed a partition plan dividing Palestine into Jewish and Arab states, but the plan was rejected by Arab leaders. In 1948, Israel declared independence and neighboring Arab states invaded. Israel won the war, but hundreds of thousands of Palestinians were displaced, becoming refugees. The border shifted, with Israel gaining more territory than the UN plan had proposed. The West Bank was occupied by Jordan and the Gaza by Egypt. For Palestinians, this was the Nakba, a catastrophe. The Green Line became the de facto border, but the peace remained elusive. In 1965, another war changed everything. Israel captured the West Bank, Gaza, East Jerusalem and Golan Heights. These territories became the heart of the conflict. Israel began building settlements inland, considering illegal international law. Palestinians saw this as a land grab, while Israelis viewed it as reclaiming their biblical homeland. The occupation deepened divisions, sparking resistance and violence on both sides. Efforts to resolve the conflict had repeatedly failed. The Oslo Accords in the 1990s created the Palestinian Authority, but didn't address key issues like border settlements or Jerusalem. Today, the situation remains tense. Gaza is controlled by Hamas, while the West Bank is divided into areas under Israeli and Palestinian control. Jerusalem, claimed by both sides, remain a flashpoint. The human cost is staggering, lives lost, families divided, and generations growing up in fear. Israel-Palestine conflict is the story of pain, resilience, and hope. It's a reminder that borders are more than lines on a map. They are about people, identity, and the dream of a better future. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you like this topic and inspire me to make more videos such as